225, got a Ferguson cultivator in the front, 300 to 100. 100 window here to 150. 10, 50, dollar 50, 50, 25. 20, 100 window 25 and $10, $20, $10, $20, 20, 20, 10, 20. $10 beta 20, 20, 20, 20 beta 20 beta 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 20, 30, 40. $40, 40, 50, 50, $50, 40, 50. $40 window here to 50, 50, 50, $40 window here to 50 beta 50 beta 50 beta 50. Sold $40. 142, 142. We got a John Deere 2-row cultivator. Get 300 window 3, 2, 200 window 2 and 2 and 2, 100. 100 window here to 125, 50. 25 down, 50, 75, 75 and down, 100. 100 on 100, quarter, half, 75. 175 and 75, 150, 75, 75 and 75. 150, 75, 75, 150, 75 and 75 and 75. Sold $150. 219, yeah. Oliver, 3 bottom pile. Pretty nice juicy trip. Plow, boys, got the coders, got it all. I'm buying over there when he gets there. 500 for 5, 300 of them, 3, 2, 100. 100 on a bit of 1, 50.
Yeah.
And 75, 50, 75, 75, now 100, 100 on a 1 1/4. 100 on a 1 1/4, quarter, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4. Chicken, plow, quarter, half. 175, 75 and 75, 75, 2, 2, 2, now half. 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 300, 300, 300, 3 and a half. 300 window here to half, 3 and a quarter. 300 window here to quarter, 3 and a quarter, 300 window here to quarter, quarter. Oh, $300. 200, 300 to 200. Got an international drag this to the back, 300. Box of parts, right, goes right along, 302. 200 went to 2, 100. $100 bid, $100, 1, 50. 10, 50, $50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 25. Now 75, 50, 75. Now $100, 75, 100, quarter, 1 and a half, 1 and a half. 1 1/4, 1 and a half, and 25, 50, 50, 50, 1 1/4, 1 and a half. 1 1/4, 1 and a half, and 25, 50, 50, 50, 1 1/4, 1 and a half, and 25, 50, 50, 1 1/4, 1 and a half, and 1 1/4 half. Close, 1 1/4. 251, 251. Got an Aston 9.2 chisel plot, and you're getting that extra skid of parts right along with it. Might be a 9 or 8, actually an IH, and we think. How about them there? You even get that plow quarter right along. Down, there. 100 window down, 500. 500 window 500 2. 100 on a bit of 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, down 3, 2, 3, down 3, down 4, 400, 400, 500 on a bit of 5 and 6. 600 on a 600 on a 700 on a 600 on a bit of 7. 600 on a now half, 6 and a half. I'm bid 600 on a bit of heaven, 600 on a bit of heaven, 600 on a bit of heaven, half. So $600. Number 200, 600 to 200. Got a case IE 600 blower. Monitor there, $2,000, $1,000 wear. $1,000 bid, $1,000, 500. New bulk got along, $500 bid, 552. 200 out of it, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3. I bid 3, now 4 down, 4 down, 4 down, half down, 4 down, 4 down, 4 down, half, 4 and a half, 4 and a half, down, 4 and a half, 4 and a half, 4 and a half, gotta be 4 and a half, internet. 400, 4 and a half, 450, 50, 400 window here to half, 450, 4 and a half. I bid 400 window here to half, 450, cheap 600 blower, boys, 400, 4 and a half, 450, 400 window here to half and bid a half, sold $400. 39. Got a rhino mower there, the final there, $1,000 wear, 6 plug, got a clutch and all, $1,000 there, 300 for 100. 300 window, fold them, 3 and 4, then 400 window, 3, 4. I'm at 300 window here, then 4, 3, 4, 400 what's on here, boys, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 400, now half, 4 and a half, now 500, 450, now 5, 450, now 500 window here, then 5, now half, 5 and a half, pound 6, 600, now half, 6 and a half, Toronto, boys, 700, 7, now half, 7 and a half, 800, now half, 8 and a half, 850, 800 window here, now 900 window, down a half, 950, 900 window here to happen, 950, 900 window here to happen, beta half, oh, $900. 100 window, $1,000, 500. 500 window, 5, 2, 200 window, $200 a go, 2. Now 3, now 300 window, 3, 2, 3, gotta be 300, 4. Now 300 window, 4, 3, John Deere boy, 3, 4, 300 window half, 300 now half, 3 and a half. I'm at 300 now 4, 400 window half, 4 and a half, now 5 and a half, 5 and a half. 500 window here to half, 550, 500 window here to half, and bid a half, 500 window here to half, and bid a half, 5 and a half, so $500.
Get the 2 pieces joined and
Hold up, Kevin, hold up. 202, get the potato grader down there, 300. Got the stenciling on the side, boys, 300. 200, to 100. 100 window here to 1. Work, boys. 50, 75. 50 on 50, 100 window 75. You're gonna need something grade your potatoes. 50, 75. 50 on 50, 100 window 75. I got 50, 75, 75 to 100. 70, 100 window here to 100 to 100. 75 to 100. 75 to 100, $100, 70, 100 window here to 185. 75, 85. 70, 100 window 85, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85, 75 and 85. Sold $75. 22, isn't it? 22. You got a galvanized gravity wagon, sitting on a gear, flotation tires, got it all. Up on up there, $1,000 where? 100 window here to $1,000, 500, 500 window 5, 5, 2, 3. I'm at 200 window 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 600 window 6, 6, 6, 7. Now $700, 6 and 7, down 7, 6 and 7. I'm at 600 window here to give a half, 6 and a half, 600 window. Running gears worth that, boys. Now we'll give you the box. 600, 6 and a half, 600, now half, now 700, now half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half. Now wait, 800 window 8 and a half, 8 and 50, 8 and a half. 800 window here to half, now half, 8 and a half. I'm at 800 window here to half, 8 and 50, 800 window here to half, and beta, half, and beta, half, and beta, half. Sold $800, number 9, right? Number 9. Now the case I cold 50 blower. Grinder, I mean, yeah, grinder. It's been 3 years since he used the boys. You see what it is. It was working there. Looks like he blew his universal part on his last load. Oh, he took the shaft off for something else. Shafts are laying right there. And I'm buying up there $2,000. Got a newer load over there. Here's lot 24. $2,000. 300 with the 2 and 2 and 2 is $1,000 work. Got all kinds of screens, boys. $1,000. 500. 500 window 750, final 750, 500 window here to 7.5. I'm at 500 window here to 750, 750, 500 window here to 600 window 5 and 5 and 6. I'm at 500 cheap grinder here, boys. 5 say 500, 600, money down, boys. 6, 7, 600 window here to 7. That way, 700 window here to 8, 8, 8, 7, 8. I'm at 700 window here to 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 7, 8, 700 window here to 8, 700 window here to 800 much cheap here, boys. Down 9, 8 to 9, 800 window here to 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. I'm at 800 window here to 9, 9, 9, 9, 800 with the 9, give a half, 8 to half. 800 with the here to half, 8 to 8 on 9, 900 with the 9 and 9 and 8 to 8 on 9, 8 to 8 on 9 and 9 and 9 and 8 to half, down half, down to half, 900 with the $1,000, $1,000, 9 to 8 $1,000, where's 100 with the here to down, $1,000, 9 to 8 $1,000, how 10, 50, 10, 50, 10, 50, 100 with the 50, $50,000, 50, 100 with the here to 50, 50, 100 with the here to 50, 50, 100 with the here to 50, 50, sold $1,000. 369494. 369494. Yes, you're fine. Up on them there. Up on them there. Got a Brady flow chopper, boys. Got your windrow attachment right on it. Up on them there. $5,000. 300 with the 3 and transport and all. $3,000 2. 200 with the $2,000 wear. $12.5 down. $12.5. 100 with the 1250 down. 1,500 with the 15. Oh, down 17.5 down to $2,000. 1750 down 2. Down 20. 650 down 5 and 20. 5 and 300 with the 5 and 30. 45. 45. 400 with the 40. 500 with the 400 with the get 42 and a half. 400 with the here to 42 50 to 50. 400 with the 2 and a half. 400 with the here to 42 50 to 50 to 50. 42 and a half. $4,000. 42 50 to 50. 4,000. 42 and a half. 400 with the 400 with the here to 42 50 to 50. 400 with the here to 2 and a half and 2 and a half and 400 with the here to 2 and a half and 2 and a half. Oh, 4,000. Cards went right along. $4,000. 254. 254. I'm buying on there. Got a nice Amco disc, boys. Rock Flex 12-foot disc there. Good blade. I'm buying them there. I'm buying them there. I'm buying them there. 7,500. 7,500 window here to 75, 5 $1,000. 5 and 5 and 3. 300 window 3 and 3. We can get it up, gentlemen. Give 1,000 to go. Down at 1,500. 1,500 window 200 window 2 and 2 and 25 and 25 and 2. 25 5 25 3 3 3 35. 3 3 35 5 and 5 and 300 window here to 5. 300 window here to 5. 2 and a half. 32 and a half. 300 window straight away at $3,000. 32 and a half. 300 window here to 32 50 to 50. Good blade. Rock Flex, got the little drag on the back, $3,000, 32 and a half. 300 window here to 32, 50 to 53, get 31 before it goes. 2 and a half, 5, 35, now 7 and a half, 35, 37 and a half, 35 to 750. Lidditz PA 3750, 3,500 window here to 3750 to 50, 35 to 750, get 3,600 Lidditz, 35, 36, 3,500 window here to 600 window, 35 to 600 window, now 7, 37, now 8, 38, 37, 38, Lidditz 38, 37, 38, 3,700 window here to 37, 3,800 window, 3,700 window, dated bid, 3,800 Lidditz, $3,700 bid, dated bid, oh, $3,700.
127.
127. Got a real nice firm hand 13-foot quarter packer. Look at the teeth. Look at the wheels. Up bottom there, down bottom there. 2,500. 2,500 to 2,500. $2,000. $2,000. $2,000 to $2,000 ago. Down 12 and a half. $100 here to 12 and a half. 12 and a half is 1,500 to 15. 1,500 to 15. 12 and a half. 15. 17 and a half. 17 and a half, 15, 17 and a half, 15, 1600, 15, 1,500 to 17 and 17 and 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 17 and 18, 1,700 to here to 1,800 to that's a nice packer, boy, 17, 18. 17, 18, 19, 1,900 to 18, 19. Now $2,000, 19 to 2, 19 down $2,000, 1,900 to 200 to 2 and 2 and 1,900, but Justin, you're out. $2,000, 19 2, 19 down to 19 2, 1,900 to 200 to 1,900 to 2 to bid, we got them sorted out. 19 to 2, 2, 2, oh, $1,900. 266, 266. I'm out of there. Just on that in there. He started rebuilding the end of it a little bit there, boys, but it still works. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. About there. When he gets there, $5,000 for 5, 3, 300 window, 3, 3, 2. 200 window here to 2 and 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 2. $1,000 wear. $1,000 wear. $1,000 wear. 500. 750. $1,000. $1,000. $750, down 12 and a half. Down 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, down 12 and a half. Down a bit no here to 1250, 1,500 window here to 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, down 1250. Down a window here to 1250, 1,500 window here to 12 and a half and 12 and a half, 1,100. Down a window here to 1,100, down a bit to 11, 11, 11, 11, down a bit to 1,100, down a bit to 1,100, down 1,100. Total $1,000. Yep. 194, 194. All right, you heard him. We're going to sell just the planter, then there's a couple extra cups and whatnot we'll sell down there afterwards. He'll divide it out however he wants to. I'm on him there. Field ready, guys. All the work's done to it. I think he spent about $3,500 in parts to rebuild it here, basically right before the sale. Yeah, that door needs some work. I'm on him there. Up, up there. If there's a fire, you probably couldn't get out. I'm up there. 12.5, 12.5, 12.5, 10, $10,000, 10, 10, 7,500, 7,500, 75 and 75 and 5, $5,000, 6, $5,000, 6, $5,000, 6, $5,000, bid 6 and bid 6 and bid 6, $5,000, 5,500, $5,000, money down, boys, 5,500, $5,000, bid 5, 50, $5,000, 600, 6, you say 6, $6,000, no 5, right behind you, 65, 65, 65, 600, window here to 5, you gotta be 6,500, 65, 5, 65, I'm right here, $6,000, 6,500, 6,500, 600, window here to 5, 6,500, you're in at 6,000, 6,500, 600, 7,000, 7,000, now 5, 75, 75, 8, $8,000, now 5, 85, 85, 800, 5, guys, he just put 3,500 in parts, 8,000, 8,500, 8,000, 8. Oh, it's more than that. It's probably 30,000 for a rebuild one for Cumberland Planer. I got 8,000, 8,500, 8,000, 8,500, 800, give 82 and a half, 8,000, 82, 15, 800, 2 and a half, and 800, 2 and a half, and 2 and a half, and 800, 2 and a half, and 82 and a half, 8,000, 82 and a half. Good on, goodbye, $8,000.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.